Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. I am your teacher Ambish. This lesson is for grade 6 from chapter number 10 geometry. First of all, we are moving to our today's question. Drawing of a perpendicular to a given line from the point outside the line. It means that I have to draw a perpendicular from the point and that point lies outside the line. So you are watching that a line is LM and there is a point P which is not lying on the point, and I have to draw a perpendicular from this point P on the line LM. Okay, now we are moving to the procedure, what we have to do. So you are watching that there is a point P and I have to draw the perpendicular from this point. For this purpose, first of all, take the compass and put your compass on that point P. Okay, after that you have to open your compass in such a way that your arc should be drawn below the line. Okay, so open your compass more in such a way that you are drawing an arc and it should be drawn below that given line. Yes, like this. So draw the arc. Yes, now see that this arc intersecting the line, the given line, on 2 points. So mark one point and keep your compass on that point and draw another arc from this point below the previous arc. Yes, draw the arc from that intersecting point. Yes, like this. You are observing in the video. Okay, same way you have to put the compass on the second intersection point and without changing the length of the compass, draw the arc from that intersection point which will intersect the previous arc at a point. Okay, and keep in your mind that when you are drawing that arc, your compass length should not be changed, and this is the point of intersection you are getting from the two arcs. Now join the point of intersection with the given point P, and that will be the perpendicular of a point from the point P on the line segment. So in this way, join the two points and draw the perpendicular. Yes, like this. And you can check it with the help of protractor, that will be the angle of 90 degree, because the perpendicular is a line which is making a right angle on the line. So this is the way you can draw a perpendicular from a given point to the line.